Previously on the series of turning $100 to $1,000. $100 right here and turning it into a whole bunch of cash. So with that being said, we went ahead and placed the order, got the phones, they just shipped out. Look at that, guys. We got $2.50, $5 in progress. It's episode 3, baby. Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead, drop that subscribe for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Alright guys, so here we are on the foam farm once again. As you guys can see, we are redeeming the cash magnets, and I already have done so on a few of these phones off camera. But you know what? We got a little bit more to redeem, so I was like, you know what? Let's bring you guys along for this. So right here, guys, as you guys can see, this is phone number 5 from the challenge. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right here on our redeem history, if we go ahead and click that, you guys can see we have cashed out $15, which are still pending, but you know what, for the sake of this challenge, we'll just consider it already deposited. There we go, guys, we got $5 USD. Success, thank you for your request. So as you guys can see on this phone number 2, we have $15 redeemed as well. We can actually go ahead and cash out a little bit more, guys. So let's go ahead and get a $5 PayPal right there, USD, confirm, and that should bring us to 40 bucks. This is phone number 1, gives us $15 as well. So if we go ahead and add that all up, I believe we are at a total of $55 USD. Let's go ahead and redeem $3 and redeem. There we go, boys, and there we go. So for the foam farm, I know it's a little bit messy, but I'll go ahead and actually throw up a total on screen right now. So that is what we have to work with, guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump onto my computer and get this challenge started. Let's go. Alright guys, so hold up. Let me explain what's going on in today's video, because I totally forgot to. So basically, guys, what we're doing in this video is we're starting a brand new business, like I said in the previous video. Alright guys, so what we're doing with this business is basically we're creating a blog with a bunch of content on there, by the way. And from there, all we have to do is actually link it to Google AdSense, get it monetized, get a few people to view our stuff, and then we make some cash. So yeah guys, that's pretty much our new business. Just throwing it out there for you guys to understand. Now let's go ahead and get back into today's video. Let's go. Alright guys, so we finally finished building our website / designing it. Same thing, guys. We also finished writing all the content on the blog, and if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, feel free to. There's a bunch of information on there that can be interesting and maybe useful to you guys. I don't know. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out, link is in the description for you guys. Anyways, moving along. So the very first step we have to do is actually subscribe. And actually, you guys should do that too right now if you haven't already. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and click this big blue button, which for you guys will be red, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and click subscribe, meaning we have to buy a plan. Luckily for you guys, it's free. All I ask is that one click, and that's good enough payment. Thank you. So moving along, I decided to pay monthly instead of annually. I know we save more money on annual, but you know what, with monthly we can actually go ahead and test out and see if AdSense will actually approve our site, and then if they don't, well, at least we didn't waste all our money. So we're gonna go ahead and actually spend the money we redeemed off the foam farm that we started in this challenge, and then put it into this blog, which hopefully could grow it even further. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this plan right now, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so obviously we also have to save as much money as possible, so we're throwing in the honey and seeing if we actually save any coupon money, whatever you want to call it. So let's see what we get. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and actually download honey right now. Link is in the description for you guys. It's just a Chrome extension, really simple to use, and you guys can actually save a few dollars here and there. And there we go, guys, look at that. $1.60 saved on our purchase just by clicking that one button. And there we go, guys, go to my site. Awesome. Thanks for joining Squarespace. I'll just say other. Skip. So the next thing we actually have to do is actually go ahead and purchase a domain, because, well, obviously Google won't accept a random as Squarespace domain. So yeah, Google gotta be complicated like that and make me spend more money, but It's fine. We're gonna go ahead and name our site. Oh wait, I want a capital. We're gonna go ahead and name our site nioxy-hustles.com. So if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, remember, link is in the description for you guys as well. And yeah, this will cost me 20 bucks, which for some reason is more expensive than the actual subscription. And here we go, guys, $20 extra down the drain. But don't worry, guys, we still on in profit with the foam farm, I believe. I think. Either way, guys, we're gonna go ahead and throw in this 20 bucks right now, and this should hopefully get us. Oh wait, yeah, okay. So there we go. Registering domain can take up to 10 minutes, and yeah, that's fine. 10 minutes is very short. So once that is done, we're gonna go ahead and actually add it to our AdSense account, and then from there we should start making that ad revenue, baby. Let's go. So yeah, guys, I will go ahead and see you guys once this is done processing. As you guys can see, registration in progress right now. It's okay, guys, we're just gonna sit and wait. Actually, no, I'm gonna go get a drink or something, but either way, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes or so. And yeah, let's get on with this.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I believe we actually have to go ahead and buy the business plan, guys, because personal just won't cut it, I guess. Alright, guys, so we actually gotta go ahead and upgrade our plan to the business plan, which, by the way, will only cost us an additional $11.60, meaning we don't need to pay $26 because we technically already did with the $14.40 in the beginning. Okay, so now that we have our business plan, what we want to do is actually go ahead and change this really quick. Edit. And if this doesn't work, I actually screw you, Squarespace. I actually hate this thing, but you know what? Let's go ahead and remove the block, make a new one. Here we go, code. And from there, we're just gonna go ahead and add in our Google AdSense code, which we just copy as so, and throw this in here. Click apply. Boom. What? Hold on. Disabled. What? No. Hold on. Hold up. No, you're not doing this to me. Dude, I just paid for a freaking business plan. Hello? Okay, guys, so we are doing it totally wrong. Yes. Okay, here we go, guys. So what we have to do is actually go into settings, go into advanced, and then we gotta go to code injection, apparently. Add in the Google AdSense thingy. Here we go, copy. And then we throw this in our header. And then we can throw this also in our footer. And yeah, there we go. Let's go over to AdSense, click done. And yes, boom, baby, let's go. Code was found. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this series so far. So yeah, guys, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned, because we upload brand new videos every single week, and also maybe even multiple times a week now because of this break. Either way, guys, thank you guys so very much for watching. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now, guys.